This is how to do a mid taper on curly hair. Let's get to it. First off, just section the head out. Pretty easy.
I feel like it'll come when it's right.
Pretty simple. Just part it right there at the parietal. Back here, just work with this growth pattern. And then just down towards the mastoids. That should be your sectioning. I don't know why I didn't explain this to you guys in the video, but I couldn't leave you guys hanging. So we're just gonna work horizontal sections towards the front, slightly taking off the length. This will be my first guide. Then take section 2, and I'm over directing that down to the previous section 1 to use my guide and following that back. As I get towards the top, I'm really using some tension and bringing that hair down to preserve some of that length. You guys will see why I do this here in a second. Here we are, just checking it, and look how beautifully that sits. Working well with his head shape. Sitting really nice naturally. Now that you have your side panel done, you take that and use that bottom section as a guide for the back. I'm using diagonal sections, working with his head shape. When using my system, it's a super easy and accurate way of cutting, and it ensures you proper shape and structure as well, making it super easy to taper in. Next, we're going to take a profile section right down the middle. Alright, so we're going to use this as my guide right here. What I set with the length in the back. Come right here, take it out, just connect it towards the top. And I'm going to follow that all the way forward.
That's fast, girl. And just like I'll get your trim
towards the front. Use over direction. Bring it towards the back a little bit, just to preserve some of that length. But he did say we're taking it pretty short, so. Alright, after that, you got your guide created down the middle. Split it right down the middle. And then split it to the sides. From here, we're just going to take vertical sections or horizontal sections, depending on how you're looking at it. But we're just going to take about an inch section, take it up. Right there's our guide. Compared to the rest. Basically, you just take that length off. And slowly work yourself forward. Grab a little bit of each section. You'll see that. And you also see right here, there's 2 guides for you. Now that we got the top and the shape all correct, we get to throw in the tapers. Start out 4 guard and then work it all the way down to your 0 guard. So 4 guard, going in, off. Close it up. This really setting that foundation for the fade. Next, 3 guard, open to closed. From there, I like to skip a guard and go straight to 1.5. Open to close, same thing.
What's that?
1 guard, same thing, open, closed.
Guard where you can like level it all off.
Yeah.
Yeah, so next guy's gonna do 0 guard.
0 guard, all off the top. And then from there, you got your taper foundation pretty much done. I like to put in my bald line. We come in with the foil shaver. Get extra crispy, make it last another week or 2. Then from there, it's super simple. No guard, open, close, lever play it till that line's all the way blended out. Halfway. Two shot. One shot. And closed. Then from there, we already faded in half guard and one guard, so last but not least, half guard right here, open, closed. We just got a little bit of extra weight in the curls, so we're gonna take our thinning shears, knock that out. Following the comb, not the hair, just to lightly blend that together. Now all you gotta do is line it out and detail. I'll show you the lineup and then I'll detail it probably myself. There's a lot that goes into detailing. Start with behind the ear C-cup. Use this, knock off all the extra weight on the C-cup. And just use your blade as a pencil. Just go right into it. Don't be scared. Not the finished product, but you got your taper in there. All we got to do is detail it.
What is he got caught talking to him.
He's famous.
How people out in other countries, though, they got like multiple wives and shit. Like,
yeah.
He speaks a whole different language. He made all those free throws, like, damn near 40, only missed 5.
How do you even get 43 free throws in a game?
They just kept found like, Bam's just a big center, and they had the Kobe on the other hand was just going off. Getting buckets. Like Luka could get 100.
Right.
He was like insane. Like that was like the closest thing they seen to Wilt running down the court, scoring 100 points.
Just like that.
$15,000 in my hand.
You're all good, my boy.
Let's go!
So we just cut up my boy Gage, and we just finished up a long day. I'll pull up my schedule. We had like 10 cuts, I think. That's the daily average usually. So. We're gonna use my guide in the back right here. You see this?
He's drowning me.
Sorry, bro. My bad, dude. Yeah, I don't know. My bad.
There you go.
My bad, man. You finna watch this video and learn how to fade, Gage, and you're finna become the best barber in the city. You're gonna top me off. Pause. All right.